So all the Maharashtra MCA aspirants who are looking for the top colleges in 2022, guys, let's discuss about the seat matrix and the cutoff with respect to the SIS, the South Indian Education Society's College of Management Studies. Yes guys, here you can pursue the MCA program because this is the best college in Maharashtra. So what are the seat intake and the cutoff with respect to the all the categories? If you belong to the open category, then how much seats are there? If you belong to the home university candidate, that means from the Mumbai University. Other than home university, that means from Pune University or other one. Minority candidates, all those candidates who are having respective minority certificates with them. TFWS and the OMS candidate. OMS के लिए कोई seats intake है या नहीं है guys? Let's discuss in this particular video. And before moving further guys, we have launched the batches. So target top MCA colleges through MCA entrance exams such as the Maharashtra MCA CET and the NIMCET. You will get all these features, complete mentorship, motivation, thoroughly cognitive effects and complete guidance about the cap round program. So you can join our classroom coaching at Mumbai, and don't forget guys, for 2022 you can join our CET Booster live batch preparation. So call on 8828581455 or visit our website. Now let's talk about the seat matrix. So first, it is Unaided Linguistic Minority Institute, Tamil Minority Institute. Yes guys, so यहाँ क्या होगा, basically more seats will be offered to the Tamil candidates जिनके पास respective minority certificates है, and they should be belong to the Maharashtra state. That means born in Maharashtra or schooling or graduation should be from the Maharashtra state. So उनके लिए यहाँ काफी सारे seats है. That means 31 seats are there out of 60. Overall 60 seats are there and 48 seats are admitted by the cap round process only. Yes guys, 48 सीट्स यहाँ फुल हो जाती है थ्रू कैप राउंड. नाउ होम यूनिवर्सिटी कैंडिडेट के लिए यहाँ 10 सीट्स है. अदर देन होम यूनिवर्सिटी 4 सीट्स, TFWS 3 सीट्स. ऑल दोज कैंडिडेट्स वांट टू वेव देयर ट्यूशन फी, और उसके लिए आपको अच्छी मेहनत करनी है गाइस. 93.48 का परसेंटाइल, योर रैंक शुड बी बिलो 665 एंड स्कोर 55.5. गाइस अब यहाँ आपको लगेगा कि स्कोर काफी कम है, बट दिस इज आउट ऑफ 200 व्हेन there is a negative marking system. Now this year there will be no negative marking system, so that's why you have to add 20 to 25 plus marks in all these scores. 61.5 जहाँ होम यूनिवर्सिटी कैंडिडेट के लिए इस बार ये होने वाला है अराउंड 86 टू 90 प्लस मार्क. यस गाइस, अदर देन होम यूनिवर्सिटी 95 प्लस, TFWS के लिए आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो 100 प्लस, OMS के लिए आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो 115 प्लस, एंड तमिल कैंडिडेट्स ऑलमोस्ट 50 प्लस. सो सारे कैंडिडेट्स जो 50 प्लस आने वाले हैं इस बार, दे कैन गेट एडमिशन in SIS with respect to the minority intake. ILS, that means institute level seats. So there are 12 seats और जहां आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो in institute level round. That means management quota through आपका यहाँ एडमिशन हो सकता है, और जब कैप राउंड का राउंड 2 फिनिश हो जाता है then you can apply over here. Okay, so these all are the respective percentile in front of you. Home University 95.99. Guys, ये जो percentile है this will be remain same this year, but your score will be goes up. So that means जहां 95 percentile के लिए इस बार स्कोर रह चुका है 61.5, this year same for 95 percentile the score will be around 85 to 95 plus. Yes guys, so इस बार आपको काफी अच्छी मेहनत करनी है and attempt all the 100 questions. Yes guys, जितने क्वेश्चंस आप सॉल्व करोगे, नेगेटिव मार्किंग की वजह से आप कुछ क्वेश्चन छोड़ देते थे, बट नाउ यू कैन अटेम्प्ट ऑल दोस क्वेश्चंस, ताकि आपके जो चांसेस है टू गेट द बेस्ट परसेंटाइल गाइस आप अचीव कर सकते हो डेफिनेटली. सो दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम द माय साइड. All the percentile, seat intake, rank and score with respect to SIS. And now all those candidates who have not started preparation yet, then guys you can join our classroom sessions. As I said, you can interact live with us in our CET booster batch. You can also visit our website for all the pre-recorded stuffs. Now for all exam updates and notifications, follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all from my side guys. So all those guys who want a preparation, you can join our CET booster batch. So call on number and get complete details how to crack the Maharashtra MCA 2022. For all exam updates and notifications, follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all from my side guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and do share to all of your friends. Any doubts, ask me in the comment section. All the best guys. See you in the next video.